My good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don't come your side, I don't come your screen with another legit intel, with another information, another breaking news on the things and things where they go on for inside the nation, Nigeria. The koko now be say, the presidency don't come aside come make one interesting declaration. They come aside the yarn say the economic decline of this our nation Nigeria. As it be say currently the economy of our nation Nigeria is not making sense, is nothing to write home about. He say wetin cause am na the poor economic choices wey former president of this our nation Nigeria dem make. Former presidents like Olusegun Obasanjo, late Umaru Musa Yar'Adua and Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. No be small matter like this, so my good people. Since this administration wey dey led by our current president wey be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they just like to dey play the blame game. They just enter power, come implement yama policy. Then they come arrange all the blame, put am together, tie am, then drop am for the head of the former president of the nation Nigeria. Even the late Umaru Musa Yar'Adua sef follow chop blame. All these kind of levels normal, e no make sense at all. Men wey be say during their time, everything be marama for the general public, everything been cheap compared to now wey the price of commodities, the price of goods and services, it don skyrocket. Like this now, my good people, the presidency they make this interesting declaration for inside one statement wey dem release on Monday, wey be the 18th day of November for inside this year 2024. And the person who released this particular statement now the presidential media aide, he go by the name Bayo Onanuga, and he yarn this level in response to the recent criticisms of Oga President wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu and this administration. And the person wey dey criticize this administration na the one and only former president of this our nation Nigeria wey be Olusegun Obasanjo. According to how Oga Bayo Onanuga take yarn for inside in statement, he said the current economic crisis wey the All Progressive Congress their administrations don dey battle with since the year 2015 na the product of the poor choices in economic management wey dey made by Oga Olusegun Obasanjo and two successors from his party. And the two successors wey they talk about, my good people, na late Umaru Musa Yar'Adua and Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. The presidency constantly accused Oga Olusegun Obasanjo of failing to fix federal roads or even expand the national road network. And he constantly yarn say the government of Olusegun Obasanjo be neglect federal universities. He no even do anything about the matter. While the former president and his deputy wey be Atiku Abubakar, dem build private higher institutions. And during Olusegun Obasanjo time as president, he be dey receive oil money on a massive levels. Oil receipts been dey ground and they bring money into the country. But still the man no do nice for inside the country. He no repair the Lagos to Ibadan expressway, both the Lagos to Abeokuta road wey dey lead to his hometown for inside Abeokuta, no do anything. And in administration no even pay better attention, no even give seriousness to universities and polytechnics. Like this now in a joint vote of no confidence in their tertiary institutions, Olusegun Obasanjo and his deputy wey be Atiku Abubakar, they will try to profit from their wickedness by establishing their private universities. And as a sitting president, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo been abused in office to advance personal interest against the spirit and letters of our constitution when he come dey gather together leading businessmen plus women and government contractors to make dem donate billions of naira for his own Olusegun Obasanjo Presidential Library and Resort for inside Abeokuta and his Bell University wey dey for inside Ota. All these my good people now wetin the presidency dey yarn for inside their statement. And this statement was very much released by Oga Bayo Onanuga, and na him be the presidential media aide. And no be lie, my good people, the things and things wey in dey talk about the former president na legit. But this man now dey fail to realize say currently northerners don dey strategize, they don dey put things and things in order to make sure say dem persuade Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan to contest again for inside 2027 presidential election. They don't realize say the time wey Oga Ebele Jonathan be dey rule, him be dey do nice things for them, him be dey govern them, him be dey lead proper more than our current president wey be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So if Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan no do well for inside the country, why it can't be say many politicians now dey gree to make sure say him can rule our nation Nigeria for the second time? Now my good people, if you torchlight this matter properly, you go see and say the presidency they no mention the APC candidates wey be Muhammadu Buhari. Like this now the All Progressive Congress they see themselves as the messiah. They see themselves as the savior, but my good people, we all know say this savior is not saving at all. Because if you check the things and things wey dey sup for inside this our nation Nigeria, you go observe and say now since Muhammadu Buhari enter office as the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and their things begin the woski for country people. And as Muhammadu Buhari finish in tenure, he come pass the baton, give another APC candidate, and that na Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, wey be our current president. And immediately as this man enter office, he just kuku make everywhere come tight. He can implement policies wey dey choke the general public. He can implement policy wey dey make country people dey see shege pro max every day by day. And if you ask the presidency, they go tell you the same thing wey they don dey talk since the beginning of this administration. They say all their policy, all their reforms na for the betterment of country people to make we do the calms. But even as things be like this now, my good people, one countryman wey dey go by the name Wale Edun, he na the Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy. In the yarn say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu through an initiative, especially the stoppage of imported fuel, e don save the country from bleeding. Oga Wale Edun dey yarn this one on Monday for inside Bauchi during the opening ceremony of the National Council on Finance and Economic Development, and this program dey carry the theme fostering economic growth in challenging times. Na there the minister come see opportunity dey yarn say this administration of Oga President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dem inherit the assets and the liabilities, and there was no looking back. But to make sure say things good for the general public, to make sure say dem gas move forward, decisions is needed to be made in order to stabilize the economy. That is to say, the policies and the reforms wey this current administration wey dey led by our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey initiate abi dey implement na necessary something and something wey go help the general public. Then after every Oga Wale Edun come dey express in appreciation to Governor Bala Mohammed for hosting the conference and the organizers for making the conference a reality. This my good people na the information I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey happen for inside our nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we bring the news they come, I go first receive the update and you go get them sharp. And I beg try make you share the news to your family and friends so that them too they go know what they happen for inside our nation Nigeria. And they come inside again with another legit intel for you, my good people. I beg, no go anywhere.